Hey everyone, welcome back to Chart Challenger. Glad to have you here for another trading and analysis video. In this episode, I'm going to share my personal trading strategy with you. I'll show you how just a few simple but key confirmations can significantly improve your win rate. Today, I spotted a great setup on the gold chart and figured it's the perfect time to show you a live trade step by step and explain how I entered the position. Let's jump into the chart. As you can see, price is moving in a clear downtrend and has broken through two major support zones, one here and the second, which is even more critical right here. After these breaks, price is now pulling back to retest those broken levels. Exactly what we anticipated. This is where I'm entering a short position. Stop loss goes above the recent high, and take profit is placed right here, just above the next support zone. Let's break it down and see why this is such a solid entry. First off, breaking two key support zones is a strong signal for further downside. Second, while we're in the 1 minute time frame now, let's jump to the 5 minute to look for more confirmations. On the 5 minute chart, we see the exact same bearish structure. Price has broken a key level and is retesting it. Another strong confirmation for a continued drop. Let's head back to the 1 minute chart and let the market do its thing. Remember, patience is a vital trading skill. Whether you're waiting to enter or already in a trade, sticking to your strategy and staying calm is key. And boom! Take profit was hit. A clean, well executed trade built on multi timeframe analysis, proper risk management, and precise timing. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like it. Drop a comment below and let me know which assets you'd like to see analyzed next. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Until the next analysis, trade smart and stay profitable.